Hello, Teacher Alan here. Today, we're going to explore two crucial cycles in nature: the carbon cycle and the oxygen cycle. These cycles are fundamental to life on Earth, and understanding them helps us appreciate the delicate balance of our environment. Let's start with the carbon cycle. Carbon is an essential element for life, found in all living organisms, and in the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, or CO2. The carbon cycle describes how carbon moves between living organisms, the atmosphere, oceans, and the Earth's crust. Here's how it works. Number 1. Photosynthesis. Plants, algae, and some bacteria perform photosynthesis, a process where they use sunlight, water, and CO2 to produce glucose and oxygen. This process removes CO2 from the atmosphere and releases oxygen. Number 2. Respiration. Animals, plants, and microorganisms undergo respiration, where they consume oxygen and release CO2 as a byproduct. This returns carbon to the atmosphere. Number 3. Decomposition. When organisms die, bacteria and fungi decompose their remains, releasing CO2 back into the atmosphere or into the soil. Number 4. Combustion. When humans burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for energy, it releases CO2 into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Now, let's move on to the oxygen cycle. Oxygen is vital for the survival of most living organisms and plays a crucial role in the Earth's atmosphere. Here's how the oxygen cycle works. Number 1. Photosynthesis. As mentioned earlier, plants, algae, and some bacteria produce oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. This oxygen is released into the atmosphere for other organisms to breathe. Number 2. Respiration. Organisms consume oxygen during respiration to produce energy, releasing CO2 as a byproduct. Number 3. Combustion. Natural processes like wildfires and human activities like burning fossil fuels also consume oxygen and release CO2 into the atmosphere. In conclusion, the carbon and oxygen cycles are interconnected processes that sustain life on Earth. They regulate the levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere, ensuring a stable environment for all living organisms. By understanding these cycles, we can make informed decisions to protect our planet and preserve its natural balance for future generations.